Alright, countries of the world. So here's how you divide the world. You have Antarctica, Oceania, Asia, which usually they don't include the European part of Russia. Then we have Europe, which includes the European part of Russia, and Kaliningrad, or I think that's how you say it, and that part of Turkey. And then, we have, Europe, Africa, and then usually there's North America and South America. Usually they're divided, but here they're included as one. So let's do countries of the world. Let's do all 200. Yeah, all 200. Let's do... let's see, if I do show on globe, it'll give me the name, and then I'll have to pick the country. Let's try that. I have not done this yet. Where's Tuvalu? Tuvalu should be... I know it's around here. I'm just gonna double check myself. Oh yeah, if you haven't seen my doing the countries blindfolded, if you haven't seen my doing the countries, listing all the countries blindfolded, that's definitely more impressive than this. So since I was able to do that, I should definitely be able to do this. But yeah, there's Tuvalu right there. Uganda is right here. That is correct. Where's Nicaragua? I wonder where it is. It's definitely not right here. Yeah, Libya. Libya is definitely right there. Qatar is... Why are they putting a circle there? But it's right here anyway, so... Honduras is this one, which includes those islands up there. And even this island way up here. I don't know why. I guess nobody else claims it, that's why. Kosovo, again, not in the United Nations, and it's only partially recognized. There it is. Somalia, which is like a war-torn country. It's right there. Kazakhstan. It's right there. It's pretty massive, actually. Argentina is also a huge country. It's right there. Czechia. We're going to Europe for this one. It's right there. We have the Solomon Islands. Okay. That would be this one here. Mozambique is in Africa, right here. Greece has a lot of islands. It should be obvious which one it is. Right there. The Philippines. I mean, if you know these countries, you immediately imagine what it looks like. Like, if you already know the shapes of the countries and everything, you can, when I say the country name, you'll automatically get the shape of the country in your head, vaguely. Turkmenistan. And the better you know the country's shape, the better you can remember its shape when I tell you the country. That is Turkmenistan, okay. Italy, sorry for the pause there, I was just listening to something. Where's Italy? I wonder where that could be. Okay, Western Sahara, again, not a country, but we'll excuse it for now. I know where it is anyway, so Jamaica. I really wonder. That could be Jamaica, maybe. Estonia. Really close to Finland, so pretty easy to find that one. Angola. Egypt. I mean, they all have distinctive shapes. It's like And they only have a specific location on the map, so it's like literally impossible to not get these if you know the countries already. Belize. Niue. That should be this one right here. It's not even a country, but we'll excuse that. North Korea. That is right here. Niger. That's definitely this. No, I'm just kidding. It's this one. Barbados. We gotta zoom way in here. There's Barbados. How far can you zoom in? Pretty far. Yeah, that's Barbados. Guyana is in South America. There it is. Togo is in Africa, and it's very weird shaped. Malaysia is also another very bizarre shaped country, especially the eastern part of it is. The western part looks pretty normal-ish. There's Malaysia. Comoros is right here. The Maldives, which is like really small, but it's right there. Lithuania. I bet you don't know where Lithuania is. It's right there. Denmark. Some people can point to Denmark on a map, especially Danish people. There's Denmark. There is Oman right there. The Gambia. If you put Gambia, they'll fucking say you're wrong. It's the Gambia. It's right there. St. Kitts and Nevis. There's a lot of countries. This is going to be a long video. Yes, I'm fairly certain. Let me just double check. Yeah, that is St. Kitts and Nevis right there. Central African Republic. Let me guess, it's in Central Africa. No, I know where it is. It's right there. Okay, we have the Vatican. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna... Oh, I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna select this. Yeah, it's right there. There it is. Germany. That's definitely how you pronounce it. It's right there. I didn't even select it. It won't even... Oh, I was like, it won't let you deselect it? No, you can select another country. But yeah, there's Germany. Samoa. I bet many people do not know where Samoa is. I mean, other than Samoans. There's Samoa. The United Arab Emirates. I don't know. No, that's where the Burj Khalifa is. Let's see if it shows it. They didn't show it, okay. But there's the UAE. El Salvador is right here. Mexico. I wonder where that is. Congo Republic. Okay, the Republic of Congo is here. I know that's what they're talking about. The United Kingdom is way up north, up here. Like, you actually, if you scroll over, you can see just how north it actually is. It's like fucking southern Alaska north. Like, this part of Alaska. It's pretty far up. Actually, only the far... You know what I'm talking about. The very top of the UK is like that. It's pretty fucking far up north. Damn, dude. Well, it gets warm airs from the Atlantic that go in, so that's why it's significantly warmer than you might think it is, being up that north. Even Iceland. Well, Iceland's cold as shit, but, you know, whatever. Monaco is a microstate. I'm not going to point out every time I get a microstate. It's pretty obvious when you get a microstate because it has a little circle. Afghanistan is right here. They got the weird panhandle. Ireland. Ireland. Bhutan. The Dominican Republic. See, most of these countries I've never been to. I've been to Mexico, the U.S., and the Bahamas. Tanzania. There's Tanzania right there. Canada. I wonder where that is. Kuwait. Chile. Chile is here. Yes, it is. It is there. Eswatini. We're not going to talk about what it used to be called, because that is in the past. It's Eswatini, and it's right there. Benin. Liberia. Cuba. There's Cubans there. Believe it or not. North Macedonia. You'll never believe what it's north of, which is the state, I think, of whatever the hell Greece calls their subdivisions. Which is, Macedonia is right around there, below North Macedonia. Which is why this is North Macedonia. The Marshall Islands. Yeah, Oceania sucks, doesn't it? It's right here. Romania. Romania is right there. Bulgaria is also right under Romania, actually. There it is. Lebanon. There was an explosion there a while ago. It's right there. Well, in Beirut specifically, which is the capital of Lebanon. There's Lebanon. China. China is huge. You cannot miss it. Belarus is in Europe, Eastern Europe, and it's pro-Russian. Micronesia is definitely right here. No, I'm just kidding. Micronesia is over here. Panama is where the Panama Canal is. Where do you think the thinnest part of the Americas is? Probably right here. This also happens to be Panama. So, there it is. Madagascar. Okay, Laos. There's Laos. Their flag's not that impressive, but Laos is pretty cool. Look at their country. Laos. Okay, there's Laos. Andorra, kind of a microstate. Actually, it definitely is a microstate. Is Luxembourg a microstate? It's slightly bigger. I mean, at what point do you call it a microstate? We're just going to say it's a microstate. But there is Andorra, in between Spain and France. You probably didn't even know it existed. Or maybe you did. France, I mean, I was just talking about that. There it is. Morocco is here. Massive North African country. Not as massive as Algeria, though. We're not going to spoil... Well, we kind of spoiled which one that was, actually. There's Morocco. Gabon. Albania. This is in Europe, and it's kind of small. A lot of European countries are kind of small. Singapore is very small. You definitely will miss it on a map if you're not looking closely. Uzbekistan. Cambodia. Australia. I wonder where the land down under is. It's massive, actually. It's right there. Costa Rica is here. Finland. I mean, like, if you know the shapes of countries, you can easily point this out. Why is Alan not colored? Because it's considered a territory, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that's also Finnish. So, that should be colored in. It should just... I mean, if it's, like, in close proximity to the country, they should just go ahead and color it in, even if it's a territory. But, yeah. That's also part of Finland, the Åland Islands. But here's Finland, right there. Armenia. You heard of the Armenian genocide in Turkey, right? Well, that would be in this area. Armenia is right here. Ivory Coast is ivory and coasty. Mauritania is huge. Kind of big. Compared to Europe, I know it's like mostly desert, but compare this to Europe. Look how massive it is compared to Europe. It's fucking massive. I think it's way bigger than France. And it's just like, despite it being mostly fucking desert. That tells you how big the Sahara actually is. It's fucking massive. Djibouti. Right across Yemen. There it is. Israel. Yeah. In this problem area here, it's the most powerful state in this area. In the Holy Land. There's Israel. Equatorial Guinea. If you didn't notice, I fucking did Holy Land in air quotes, because you can't really see that, but it's only holy to the fucking Abrahamic religions. So, I mean, that does happen to be quite a bit of the world, but it's like 3 billion people can't be wrong, right? I don't know about that. They all disagree, so clearly 3 billion people can be wrong. There's Equatorial Guinea right there. Suriname. Suriname is here. Namibia is right there. Iceland is made of ice. It's just completely ice. No, I'm just kidding. There is Iceland, which is probably a really beautiful place, actually. Haiti is kind of a problem area in North America. There's Haiti. Nigeria has a lot of people. There it is. You can see just how many people they got. Lagos, however you pronounce it, is the most populous urban area in Nigeria and in Africa, with an estimated population of 21 million. So yeah, Nigeria has a lot of people. Just Lagos on its own has more population than some entire African countries and some other countries across the globe. Like Mongolia, for example, right? See how huge it is? It has like 3 million people, which is less than Lagos by a lot. Okay, let's continue on. Jordan. And Lagos is just a city. So, some cities have bigger populations than entire countries. A good example of that is Tokyo, for example. Well, you probably get the point. There's Jordan right there. Burkina Faso. Ukraine. You've probably heard of it in the news. Ukraine is right here. Right in between Russia and Moldova. It also borders Belarus, Poland, Romania, Hungary, and Slovakia. But its biggest border is with Russia. So, I'm not sure if it's in... I don't think it's in NATO. I don't know. I'm not too good with, alliances. But yeah, there's Ukraine. Tunisia. Let's zoom in to Tunisia. Grenada, whatever. Here it is. Switzerland, very neutral country. It's in the middle of Europe. Landlocked. Belgium. Here's Belgium, right there. Cyprus. Here is Cyprus. Oh, it covers the whole island. Okay. Why are all these lines here then? I know why they're there, because there's Northern Cyprus, which is disputed and all that stuff and only recognized by Turkey. And then there's Akrotiri and Dhekelia or something. I forgot the names. But there's British bases there too. And a UN zone in between as well. But yeah, there's Cyprus. I wish small countries would just be left alone, like Armenia and Cyprus. Just leave them alone. Spain. That's how you know who the actual bullies are. Which is basically any country that's big is a bully. Well, not all of them. But Russia definitely is. The US definitely is. They fucking go all over the world to have wars when they don't need to. There's Spain. Okay, Mauritius. Palau. If you think about it really hard, Palau's right here. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There it is. Georgia. Oh, there's Georgia right there. No, I'm just kidding. Georgia, the country, is right here. Bosnia and Herzegovina. I think people have heard of Bosnia before, but maybe some people. I don't know. Depends if you're from the country or around this region. Even Americans are like, I've probably heard of Bosnia. But then, they don't know the full name of the country, though. Bosnia and Herzegovina, there it is. Ghana. I bet you might have heard of this. There's Ghana. The United States of America. I really wonder where that is. Definitely not in the Americas. Paraguay. St. Lucia. St. Lucia has a very specific shape, so I know where it is exactly. It has also a very specific location on the Earth, so that makes it way easier to find. Especially if you know the shape as well. Sweden. Luxembourg. I don't know if you consider that a microstate or not, but there it is. Serbia. You can zoom in pretty far. There's Serbia. Russia. I don't know. My final answer is right there. Venezuela. Bahrain. Oh, I clicked cutter on accident. There's Bahrain. Right there. They have this small island over there too. But there's Bahrain. Portugal. Of course I know where Portugal is. I know where all the countries are. Palestine. A UN observer state. Palestine. Peru. It's weird that Palestine's a thing because I think the West Bank and the Gaza Strip are controlled by different people. So I don't know why Palestine would be one thing. Peru is right there. Right there. Make sure you click on the right one. There's Peru. Hungary. Algeria is massive. You can't miss it. There's like a lot of desert here. They live in the north mostly, obviously, because there's the Sahara in the south. And in the north is nice and warm and Mediterranean, so nice. Eritrea. Eritrea happens to be right in this location and within these borders. The Netherlands. They like to build land and stuff. There it is. And Zealand, the old Zealand, not the New Zealand, the old Zealand is right around there. All those bumps there. That means that New Zealand was discovered, I think, by the Dutch. Okay, there's Poland. Where's Poland? Right here. In a very weird place. There's Poland. Cameroon. Kiribati. I think, yes, people really do pronounce it that way, despite the spelling. There's Kiribati. It straddles the time zones or something. There it is. Mali. Kyrgyzstan. I hate these borders so much over here. They look fucking atrocious. But there's Kyrgyzstan. Sao Tome and Principe. I don't know. Might be this. No, I do fucking know, obviously. India. You can't miss it. It's right there. And it includes those islands, too. Not gonna lie, I do not like the borders of India. It looks atrocious, especially this eastern part. The Cook Islands, not really a country. It's in free association with New Zealand. Still not really a country, though. It doesn't meet the criteria. It's not in the UN, so. No, it's not that. Where the fuck is the Cook Islands at? It can't be that, because that's the Marshall Islands. Is it way over here? Oh, yeah, it is. The Cook Islands, there it is. Taiwan, again, not a UN, not in the UN, not a UN observer state, and it's not fully recognized. So, but we're gonna, it's right there anyway. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is pretty big. It's hard to miss. Indonesia, also massive. Hard to miss that. South Africa. Could it be in the south of Africa? Yes, it is. Croatia is right here. Chad. I don't know. He looks pretty Chad, doesn't he? Malta is Malton. Did you know that? Norway is Norwegian, too. Guinea-Bissau. Would they be Guinea-Bissauan? I don't know. I don't know at this point. But there's Guinea-Bissau. Bolivia. No, I fucking know where Bolivia is, obviously. Tonga time. They did some colonizing at some point and then just gave up or something. But there's Tonga. I didn't know it was that fucking close to Fiji. Holy shit. Is it that close to Fiji? I thought it was further away than that. I swear to God, it was farther away than that. But whatever. Tonga. Cape Verde. Azerbaijan. Wow, we're not even 3/4 of the way done. Azerbaijan. Guinea. You'll never guess where Guinea is. It's right there. Zimbabwe. Ethiopia. I think they were never colonized by Europe. I'm not too sure about that, though. I could be mistaken. But, I think, I don't know. I thought I heard someone say they were under some rule of Italians or somebody. But I don't think Italy ever conquered them. But yeah, there's Ethiopia right there. Latvia is right here. Syria is right here. Papua New Guinea has the most languages on Earth or something like that. But there it is. Probably because of how the geography of the country works. Bougainville, right there, might become a new country soon. By soon, I mean, I don't know, 2027 or something. Somewhere around there, maybe. I don't know. Not too sure about it. But there's Papua New Guinea. Nauru, which is a tiny, 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 tiny country that's really obese. There it is. Ecuador. Does Ecuador, including the Galapagos? Mongolia, again, there's 3 million people there total. It's mostly desert. There's Mongolia. New Zealand. Unlike the old Zealand, it's new. There it is. Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is here. Yemen. Comparable to African countries, but in Arabia. There it is. Yemen. Nepal is Nepalese, I think. I don't know. There's Nepal. The Bahamas. I've been there actually several times. There it is. It's very nice. It's very cool. I would recommend. Where's South Korea? Right here. It's in the Korean Peninsula in the south. There it is. Liechtenstein, a microstate. Here we go. Seychelles. Seychelles is here. Antigua and Barbuda is here. Antigua and Barbuda, and then this tiny island for some reason. So you might want to rename it. Unless that tiny island is like one of part of the two islands or something. I mean, not really. That's not how an island works. But why the fuck is this? What is that other island? I don't even know. Whatever. Let's ignore it. Correct. San Marino is very old, but there it is. Uruguay. Kenya. Can you believe that that's in Africa? It's right here. Vanuatu is in Oceania, and it's right here. I swear, aren't those islands up there? Wait, what are those islands? That's Solomon Islands. But yeah, there's Vanuatu right there. South Sudan, I think, is the newest country. Until, like, the next country that's comes along. But yeah, there's South Sudan. I think Montenegro split in, like, 2006 or something. So yeah, it is the newest country. Bougainville, I think, should be in 2027, somewhere around there. That's just what I've heard from somebody. It might be wrong, actually, but there's South Sudan. Slovenia, very small, but a beautiful place right there. Look at it. Look how nice it is. Look at this. Look at this. Doesn't that look so nice? Okay, there's Slovenia. I've got that one. Turkey. I don't know. It doesn't look like a turkey to me. I mean, technically it does look not like a turkey, but a turkey to me. You understand? Because it's Turkey. Fuck! I clicked the wrong one. That was a misclick, sorry. You saw that I clicked Turkey first, obviously. That's what I meant. When you accidentally click Cyprus. Okay. Pakistan. There's Pakistan. Tajikistan. Oh, don't click China. There's Tajikistan. Saudi Arabia. Montenegro. Myanmar. Brazil. Austria is actually right here. Did you know that? Botswana. There's a weird little tip that goes way over here. That's weird. But yeah, Botswana is right here. Sri Lanka. Used to be connected to India by a little land bridge. It was a natural bridge, I think. But it washed away over time. There's Sri Lanka. Vietnam. Again, one of the weirdest looking countries I've ever seen. There's Vietnam. Brunei. I don't know why I went over there. But yeah, Brunei is right here. Why is there a circle there? I don't get it. Brunei is right there. Colombia. Guatemala. Burundi. It's going to give me Turkey again because I missed it. on accident. There's Sudan. Dominica. Or Dominica. Whatever you want to say is right here. Rwanda. You will never guess where it is. No, I'm just kidding. It's right here. Lesotho. East Timor or Timor-Leste, whatever, is right here. It's like one of the most it's one of the most inconspicuous countries I've ever seen. Like, you don't even realize it's on the map most of the time. Like if I were to not click this, like, you can barely even tell it's there. But yeah, there's East Timor right there. Thailand. Slovakia. You'll never guess where it is. It's in Europe. Trinidad and Tobago. There's Trinidad, I think is the big island. And Tobago. Iraq. Iran. Iran. Zambia. That's a ridiculous shape. Not as ridiculous as like Vietnam's or Tajikistan's. Well, Tajikistan's shape is just retarded. Actually, Uzbekistan's looks even worse. But yeah, Moldova. Senegal. I wonder where. Fiji. Malawi. Holy shit. We're almost done. Yay. There's Malawi. Bangladesh is here. Japan. There it is. Oh, that looks beautiful. Turkey. Yeah, this should be the end. There's Turkey. Cyprus. There's Cyprus. Yep, there we go. There's the whole world. Oh my god. I would do the flags, but like that might take even longer. Maybe in another video. Or by regions or something, I don't know. Maybe I'll do another video of the regions. Or the states or something, whatever. The US states. Okay.